stock ticker symbol RJETQ, currently traded at 12 cents. Again, this one was requested over on investorshangout.com/live, added to the list as always to make sure we go through all the stocks I requested. I'm basing this level right now. I'm going to do more of a level of support than anything to really get this one lined up on what we're going to be looking for here. Obviously, basing this off of here, you come down here, as I always say, you do the shuffle, you get through that support line. Isn't good. I mean, the support line is obviously where you start falling, and once you fall through that support, you go down to the next one. It fell through over here on December 20th and started doing the sideways again for 5 days, trying to get back up to it. Came down to a final support at 0.458, where that seems to have bounced off of, and then went sideways, made its way through on January 10th, and then plowed through it again on January 12th through the upper resistance level and just took off, forming a gap that you can see right around this area. And of course, those gaps get filled, and it pulled back down right there to fill it. That being said, the last time that we took a look at this stock was going to be on the 13th, right here. And I said, hold to see if 1675 holds from here. And it did right here. 20 see a 16. Okay, so it bounced off of that and just kept going off of when we looked at this one last. What you're going to be looking for right now is that you might see another day or so of this drop down to about 923. Once you get down to that level, we're going to be watching for a bounce off of there. Right now, it seems to be selling more than anything. So once, right now, currently at 12 cents, I understand that it is a little bit of a ways down to 0.923, but that is a massive support level. From where you're coming from right now, it's very possible that you might tap that. That being said, it has been pretty bearish for the most part since January 23rd, going forward after that big run up. Watch for a bounce off 0.223. Once you get down to that level, if you don't see buying start coming in and that support breaks, you will head down to 0.458. And that is all I have to add for this one.
Yeah, so that one right there, it's a there hasn't been any recent updates since their last press release was on November 16, 2016. And it was Republic Airways files plan of reorganization, intends to emerge from Chapter 11 in Q1 2017. So that's basically something to watch for. It should be coming out of bankruptcy soon. You know, at least they intend to in Q1 2017. So that's, I mean, that's pretty much it. They're a Republican Holdings Incorporated. They're based in Indianapolis, Indiana. They're an airlines holding company that owns Republic Airlines and Shuttle America, collectively called the Airlines. The airline operates a combined fleet of about 165 aircraft and offers scheduled passenger services with approximately 850 flights daily to about 105 cities in 38 U.S. states, Canada, the Caribbean, and Latin America. The airlines provide fixed fee flights operated under our major airline partner brands of America Eagle, Delta Connection, and United Express. Their airlines employ about 5,200 aviation professionals, and that is that. So it's something to watch for. They're going to be coming out of bankruptcy soon. And what they write, if you go back into this November 16th press release, you'll see that today's announcement illustrates what a team can accomplish when it's focused on delivering an exceptional experience for its customers and associates. They basically stated that we have achieved each of the restructuring goals set at the onset of this case while restoring our airline to a level of operational excellence unmatched in our industry, said Brian Bedford, Republic's chief executive officer. The airline has achieved a 99.7% controllable completion rate in 2016 and is exceeding that level of performance in Q4. These collective results are a true testament of our people and how committed they are to the continued transformation of our airline. So that's it, David.
Okay. Thank you again for all the information that Joe just went over. You can find the company profile, time of sales, recent news, filings, and financials over here on investorshangout.com along with the message board. Again, for the chart, wait for support level. of 0293. This will need to hold. Otherwise, 0458, watch for buying to return when you hit 0923. Just my opinion. That's if everything continues to go the way that it is. I would be looking for a bounce off of that personally. But like Joe said, with the bankruptcy information that's going on, you did say that they should be coming out of that soon. Is that correct, Joe?
Yeah, they said that they intend to emerge from Chapter 11 in Q1 2017.
Okay. So you're going to be watching for that. As always, make sure you subscribe to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market as we cover all the trending stocks during our live streams. Again, if you have a stock that you're following, you'd like to add it to the stream, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know there. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list.